Okay, so what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go fishing.
Okay, so what do we have to do first?
Get the worms.
Yep, and where are they? What is that?
That is...
Our compost pile. Here, you hold this. I'll see if I can dig to find some. There's one.
There's a big worm.
Alright, put him in there.
Okay. Got him. Oh, there it is. That's a big one. Ooh. Do you see any?
Yep.
Oh, there's one. Ah, that one's wiggly. That's a wiggly worm.
Okay, time to overcome your fears. Go get it. You got this.
Where'd it go?
Did you let it get away?
Oh, one just came out.
Okay. Ah!
I hate you.
All right, get it. Hurry, hurry.
I need more.
There you go. All right, I think that's enough. All right, what's the next step?
The next step is to get our poles at the barn.
Okay.
Woohoo! There's our dog. She's a bull mastiff. There's our barn where we get our fishing poles. Here she is. Here is all of the things we need. So we just need two. And we think we'll be catching some bluegill.
Okay.
But we might catch some other things. That's our field right there. Where's the camera?
Okay, here we are.
Right here is where we get most of our fish from. Most of the time we don't get any over there. So we usually get them all over here. So right now, I am getting my hook on, and I'm also getting my bobber. There's some kind of frog over there. I just heard a fish jump. And my dog's playing in the pond.
Here you go.
Now I'm gonna go fishing. Because my dad got me all set.
First cast.
I got a fish!
All right, let's see it. Pretty.
What is this thing?
What do you do with your fish?
You
gonna give it a kiss like you normally do? So gross. Be free. What do you think?
Yeah. Now, next thing I'm gonna do is
I think that's the wrong way to use our canoe.
well, I don't want to get in the grass because it itches.
Okay.
Good catch. Oh.
Good one. Nice. All right, bring it in.
What in the world is that? We've never caught one of these things. What is
It's a good size one. Pretty fish. Yeah.
Third one.
Look at you showing off. All right. Good job, Tiny. Tiny? Are you going to let me catch anything?
You just need to cast up closer because that's where I get most of my fish is the different thing.
That's the trick, huh? Cast closer.
Yeah.
You got a tiny one.
Hey, it's
You
me.
caught bait.
It's me. I caught myself. Oh.
You know how you make it look even bigger? We just hold it up close. Oh, look at the size of that monster. Whoa. Finally one for me. Score. Yep, we're catching monsters out here. What do you think, Tiny?
That's too tiny.
Yep, I agree.
Oh.
Ugh, you're so gross. No. Hello. Ugh.
Dead.
Oh, you smell bad.
Dead.
Ah, I'm getting a bite. Gotta go. Oh, fish on. Oh, it's another monster. Whoa. Okay, Tiny. I think the next fish is gonna do it for us. We got snow cones waiting up at the house. What's that noise, Ella?
Where'd it go?
Sun is going down and the frogs are out.
They're coming. Whoa!
And we have a winner.
That's a...
Are you gonna say that's huge? I mean, really?
It has huge eyes.
Huge eyes. That's what you were gonna say.
I can't reach. It's got huge eyes.
Ah! Oh, you got them off and back. Good job, Tiny. All right, let's head back to the house. Really? You beat me. What do you think? Good time? Good time?
Yeah.
So we caught fish. We saw Sandy jump in the mud, shake off and get us wet.
And we saw geese.
Big geese. Sandy chased the geese. So, and a pretty sunset. All right, what do you want to say to all your fans out there?
Hey.
leaving.